Welcome back. You are watching Iffi News. Veteran actor Om Puri gets up close and personal in an exclusive interview with Rowan D'Souza and Sushant Paul, where he says he expects Iffi 2012 to be a success. During his interaction, Om Puri opined on the re-release of Jaane Bhi Do Yaro.
For this international film festival, what are you hoping to see? What would you expect it to be?
Well, I expect it to go well. I expect that the films have been chosen well, and I hope all the delegates who come from abroad and from India will enjoy the films and have a good time.
Okay. And when we speak about the re-release of Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, what is the main intention behind it, and do you think it will work?
It has worked already. Yeah, I mean, they have increased the prints. I was quite surprised because this film has been seen practically by every film goer. Every 10 days, 15 days, they have been showing it on television. In spite of that, people have gone to the theater and, full houses. Initially, they released about 20 prints and then they increased more prints. So it is a cult film, and people have enjoyed seeing it in the theater.
On the sidelines of Iffi, Ashok Raj of Udupi from Karnataka brings a special performance by his group. Rohit Wadkar and Omkar Falari brings to you some excerpts performed by this group near Kala Academy at Panji.
या 43rd इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया गोवा 2012 एक बारीकसो एक परफॉर्मन्स पळयलो हांवें आनी ह्या परफॉर्मन्स आसलो अशोक राज काडबेट्टो उडपीच्यान आमी आतां तांच्याच कडेन उलय आनी तुमी परफॉर्मन्सूय तो डेफिनेटली पळयात हो परफॉर्मन्स असो वेगळो आगळो वेगळो कसो आसलो सो हांव आतां तांचे जे इंचार्ज आसा अशोक राज हांच्या कडेन आमी उलय आनी पळोवयात ते ह्या परफॉर्मन्सा बद्दल कितें म्हणटा ते अशोक राज जी ये बताइए ये परफॉर्मेंस मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इट इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सीइंग दिस ये कहाँ से आया इट इज़ ट्रेडिशनल जो आपने कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप किया क्या है क्या
ये कर्नाटक का एक फोक डांस है।
आप कितने साल से ये कर रहे हो फॉर हाउ मेनी इयर्स हैव यू बीन डूइंग दिस
हम लोग तो बहुत साल से मतलब 10-15 साल से ही कर रहे हैं। उन लोग तो कम से कम 30 साल हो गए अभी, लेकिन मैं इधर ज्वाइन होकर 7 साल हो गए। लेकिन ये तो सर ये है मेरे अपना बंदा है, ये 15 साल से काम कर रहा है और ये नया लड़का है। इसने हाई जंप में और लॉन्ग जंप में जो स्टंप में है ना नंबर 1 है ये, ठीक है।
लेकिन ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता ये पेंट करके बाद में ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहन के डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है
मतलब ये ऐसा है कि मतलब अपना साउथ कंट्री का मतलब जो पुराना है, जो पुरातन बोलते हैं ना, जो उसके बारे में हम लोग के ये पिछले से आया हुआ है। कम से कम 400 मतलब 500 साल के पीछे की बात है। हाँ, जब भी से हम लोग मतलब आज में करते करते आए ये सभी चलता है कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी में, और भी सबसे ज़्यादा चलता है जो अपने उड़पी में पर्याय बोल के चलता है। ये 2 साल के बाद एक बार चलता है। इसमें है ना जो अपना सबसे बड़ा सुबह से रात से पकड़ के सुबह तक चलता है, इसलिए अपना उड़पी में ना ये डांस बहुत फेमस है।
सूरज जी एक बात बताओ यहाँ पे आने का कैसा हुआ डिड यू कम और समबडी इनवाइटेड यू ऑर्गेनाइजर्स इनवाइटेड यू ये कैसा हुआ बिकॉज ये पहली बार 9 साल हो रहे हैं गोवा होस्ट कर रहा है इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऐसा वाला कॉन्सेप्ट मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे इसके बारे में व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस
मेरा फ्रेंड ने बताया वो फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए एक प्रोग्राम देने के लिए बोला था तो उनके आओ ऐसा बोल के मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ओके कर दिया। ये भी अच्छा मौका
अभी ये एक ही बार परफॉर्मेंस था कि और भी होएगा अभी 10 दिन के टाइम फ्रेम यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे
फर्स्ट टाइम
नहीं और भी परफॉर्मेंस है आपका अभी
हाँ है
ताकि जो हमारे व्यूअर्स अभी देख रहे हैं तो जो लोगों ने अभी इनॉग्रल पे मिस किया आपका परफॉर्मेंस तो शायद आपको आगे देखना अगर चाहे तो डेफिनेटली अगर है 10 दिन पे आपका परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा यहाँ पे गोवा में
अभी है इधर
अभी
अभी चलने वाले
तो अभी और परफॉर्मेंस तो नहीं है
नहीं
ओके
43ನೇ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರೋತ್ಸವ ಇನ್ ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
या 43rd इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक हांव रोहित वाडकर आणि माझ्या वांगडा कॅमेरा पर्सन ओंकार फळारी वांगडा फक्त प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Film critic Sachin Chatte will recommend certain movies to be watched on day-to-day basis. Our video journalist Omkar Falari brings to you the tips of Sachin Chatte for viewing films on Thursday in Iffi.
There are a host of films being screened at Iffi this year, and here are some of the picks for tomorrow, Thursday, the 22nd of November. At 9:30 a.m. tomorrow at Kala Academy, they are showing a Polish film called Rosa. Now, this is a story about a German widow, and she meets a Polish soldier. Now, her husband has been killed by the Polish guys, of course, and she's all alone. Now, this is a love story between these two people, and I think this should be an interesting film, which is also produced by Krzysztof Zanussi. At 12 noon tomorrow, they are also repeating the opening film, Life of Pi. Now, if you know anything about this film, then you should also know that you must not miss this film at any cost. It's wonderfully directed by that creative genius called Ang Lee, and I have never seen such good use of 3D before. This is a film you should not miss. It's Life of Pi. Tomorrow at Inox Screen 1, there's also a film being screened from Canada, which is called War Witch, which has won quite a few awards all around the world. Now, this story is set in Africa, even though it's a Canadian production, and it's about a teenage girl who gets pregnant during the course of war. It sounds like a very touching film, and I hope it'll turn out to be a good one as well. Now, for all those looking for a lightweight film, if you're fed up of war, conflict, and sadness, if you're looking for a lightweight film at Iffi, then there's a film tomorrow at Inox 1 called Material. Now, this is a lightweight story about a family where the son is supposed to take over the business from the father. Now, what happens then? That's the story of Material, which is a lightweight comedy from South Africa. And lastly, one more film that I'm going to recommend for tomorrow is directed by Carlos Regadas. He's a very well-known filmmaker, and his previous films also have done very well, although they don't suit everybody's taste. They are a little bit slow, but if patience is your virtue, then you might want to watch this film called After Darkness Light, which comes from Mexico. Now, those are some of the recommendations for tomorrow, that's Thursday, and I'll be back with you tomorrow with some more recommendations for Friday. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media.
And before we end this bulletin, we bring to you our video of the day glittering performance during the opening ceremony of Iffi. Have a great day. Goodbye.
The lighting of the lamp is the traditional dispelling of darkness, and in cinema particularly, the lighting of the lamp symbolizes light itself, which is cinema itself.
I think as they light each lamp, could we please give them a huge round of applause?
तेरा ही साया बनके तेरे साथ चला मैं जब धूप आई तेरे तुमको अपने साथ में ले ले दर्द भी तेरे